Dan from MotherRucker here. Today I'm going to show you how to use an Ergobaby Aura wrap and an Ergobaby Omni360 carrier to tandem carry siblings, a newborn and an older child who is over 6 months old and can sit unaided. First things first, get your Ergobaby Aura wrap and locate your middle marker. There's mine. That's going over your chest. You're using your chin to pin. Take the top hem behind your back, round up and over the other shoulder. You're then going to do the same with the other side, and your aim here is to not twist the fabric on your back. So by leading with your top hem, you can ensure that happening. Take your vertical passes and pop those straight through your horizontal pass before doing your hair, crossing them over and then taking it behind your back, crossing it over and bringing it back to the front. It's really important that you make sure that your tails are not longer than your knees because those are trip hazards on the stairs. Always tie in a double knot. Now I'm pulling the slack out of my wrap so that it is the right size for my babies. I'm feeding the slack round my body towards my knot and tying that in a double knot. So all that slack has now gone and it is now going to be safe for my baby. I'm going to slide that down nice and low, and I'm now going to grab my Ergobaby Omni360 carrier to get that ready to go on my back. I prefer to use the hip scoop method, which is what I'm showing here, but you can use any method to get your child on your back that you are comfortable with and you know how to do. A good idea is to visit your local sling library or carrying consultant to get in-person advice and help. So I've just put the waistband on, making sure it's nice and secure. I'm positioning the panel of the carrier on my hip that I'm going to be scooting my baby around. I make sure that my front strap is short and my side strap is long. This makes it a lot easier later on. Okay? Now I'm going to get my older child and I'm going to pop them on my hip. Make sure they are central in the bottom of the carrier. I like my dolls to face that way. I bring the back of the carrier up over their shoulders to their neck. I take the short strap and I'm going to pin that under my chin, or you can hold it in your teeth. Bring the back strap together and then using my back arm, I'm going to thread my arm along the tummy and through the short strap. That's then going under the bum and I scoop my baby round to my back. The long strap comes behind my neck. And this is why we leave it long, so you can slip your arm through nice and easily. I'm then going to pull that strap down and up to tighten, and then do up my chest clip so that my baby is secure. I'm just moving this a bit higher so that when I put my newborn baby in, it's not going to be in the way of their head. Clip it in and then tighten it up and adjust it as you need. Once you're there, you are now ready to pop your newborn into your stretchy wrap. Double check that you've still got enough space, and then you can get your newborn. Bring them up to your shoulder, arms up to help them balance, come inside, feed one leg through and pop the fabric in the knee. Same on the other side, bring baby central and roll them down. Get those knees up nice and high, arms up to help them balance. Make sure that their spine is curved. You're then going to bring the inside hem over their back to the other knee, and the same on the other side. Make sure the wrap is reaching knee to knee and that both passes are up by the neck. You can then pull the fabric out over your shoulder underneath the strap of your back carrier to help hold it all in place. And you can do the same on the other side, like so. You're then going to come underneath and find that original horizontal pass, bring it over each leg like a rope, and then bring that top hem up to the neck to secure everything in place. And there we go. Sort your hair out and you're all done. Back carrying with an Ergo Omni360 and an Aura stretchy wrap on the front. Bye.